गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम इस वीडियो में एग्जाम्पल 9.6, एग्जाम्पल 9.7 एंड 9.8 ओके ये 3 एग्जाम्पल्स हम डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके तो स्टार्ट करते हैं विद एग्जाम्पल 9.6 and in these 3 examples we will use the formula m1 u1 plus m2 u2 that is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम। ओके बिकॉज स्क्रीन यहाँ पे स्मॉल है तो मैं पूरा सोल्व नहीं कर पाऊंगा, बट मैं वैल्यूज बता दूंगा आपको कि किस तरह से आपको वैल्यूज पुट करना है, और कैलकुलेशन जो पार्ट होगा वो आप अपने आप से कीजिएगा। बिकॉज स्क्रीन स्मॉल है इसलिए मैं पूरा कैलकुलेशन कर नहीं पाऊंगा। ओके यस, अ बुलेट ऑफ मास 20 gram, a bullet of mass 20 gram is horizontally fired with a velocity of 150 meter per second from a pistol. Means from pistol, okay, you just fire a bullet. Okay, the mass of bullet that is 20 gram and the mass of pistol that is 2 kg. Now you see here, mass of pistol that is 2 kg and mass of bullet that is 20 grams. So you have to change the mass of bullet. Either you can change the mass of bullet or mass of pistol. Here I just change the mass of bullet 20 grams. We need to convert it into kg, so we divided 20 upon 1000. So cut 0 to 0 and after 2 you just put point, like 0.02 kg. You see that is the mass of 0.02 kg mass of bullet, and velocity of bullet that is 150 meter per second from a pistol of mass 2 kg. What is the recoil velocity of pistol? Means initially the gun and bullet they both are rest. Means initial velocity for gun means u1 that is 0, and u2 initial velocity of bullet that is also 0, but the final velocity of pistol that is given 150, and you have to find out the velocity of pistol. So only one formula it does just tell you that you should use m1, okay, m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Sorry, na screen is small, that is the problem. Yes, wait. We will use formula m1 u1 plus m2 u2 that is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Okay, you see mass of bullet that is 0.02, but initial velocity that is 0. Here is also this initial velocity 0, so this term it becomes 0. Okay, now what happens here means m1 u1 plus m2 u2 that is equal to 0 because initial velocity is 0. So m1 0.02 into initial velocity that is 150, you put 150 here, plus m2 that is 2 kg into v2. Okay, I think 1.15. Wait, one more time I just initial momentum that is 0. Now m1 v1 plus m2 v2, m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Okay, this is, suppose this is the mass of pistol that is 2 kg. Okay, 2 into velocity that is 150. A bullet of mass, this is the velocity of bullet. Okay, we need to find the velocity of pistol, so you write v1 here plus m2 that is 0.02 and then you multiply 150. Okay, now these all are the values, you calculate and you can find your answer. Okay, now the next question, that is 9.7. A girl of mass 40 kg, okay, the same formula you will use here, m1 u1, the formula is m1, the formula is wait, yes, the formula is m1 u1 plus m2 u2, okay, is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Okay, now you see a girl of mass 40 kg, so here you put 40 kg, that is clear. Jumps with a horizontal velocity 5 meter, you take 5 here, okay, this is 5, this is 40, these two values given. Okay, now a stationary cart, it means, and the cart weight is 3 kg, you put 3 here and this is 0, okay, so this becomes 0. Now m1 v1, m1 that is 40 kg, you put here 40 kg, and assume that there is no external force. What is the velocity as the cart starts moving? Okay, a girl of mass 40 kg jumps with a cart horizontally, means the velocity of cart and the girl will be same, because the girl now sees on the cart. So you take m is 40 kg and v1 in place of v you write x plus m2, that is you take 3 kg and v2 again x, because the velocity is same. Now you just calculate it and then you will get your answer. Okay, one more time I just explain. m1 u1 plus m2 u2 means m1 that is 40 kg separate m1 u1, m1 that is 40 kg, u1 that is 5 means, okay, and then stationary cart the m2 is 3 kg, I write the values na, m1 40, okay, u1 5, m2 that is 3 and u2 that is 0, m1 u1 you know, v1 that is x and v2 that is also same x. So by using the formula m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, then you can find the answer. Okay, now the next question, that is example 9.8. The hockey players of opposite teams, two hockey players of opposite teams while trying to hit a hockey ball, means they are moving in opposite direction. Okay, I just tell the values only. Okay, and they become entangled. One has mass 60 kg, okay, 60 kg, that is the m1, okay, m1 that is 60 kg, first value is given. Okay, yeah, because of screen this problem happen. Yes, this is m1 beta, this is m1, okay, it is moving with this velocity, mean this is u1 velocity, this is m2 was moving faster with the velocity 6 and that is u2, that is clear. But you take either u1 or u2 minus, because they are moving in opposite direction, so you can take u2 is equal to minus 6, this is okay. Otherwise you can take u1 is equal to minus 5, means either of these values, one value you just taken, you should take negative. Okay, now you have to find the v. m1 m2 is given, now v, they entangle, means v1 is also x and v2 is also x, because they entangled and the velocity will be same. So you find the value of x, you know? And now you are having all the values simply by using the formula m1 u1 plus m2 u2, that is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, then you can find the answer. Okay, again I just tell the values. M1 that is 60 kg, u1 that is 5 meter per second, m2 that is 55 kg, and u2 that is 6 meter per second. You take it minus 6 meter. Okay, if you take u2 plus 6, then you need to take minus 5, because they are moving in opposite direction. Okay, then v1 is also x, because they are entangled, and v2 also x. Now you just putting these values in the formula, then you will get your answer. Okay, so these are the three examples. ओके बेटा, आई होप थोड़ा बहुत आपको समझ आया होगा, बिकॉज स्क्रीन स्मॉल है तो मैं पूरा वो लिख नहीं पा रहा हूँ। ओके ओके बेटा, थैंक यू। कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो बेटा मुझे बताइएगा।